So hi everyone, I'm Kayyum and in this video we will going to learn that how to create, delete a user and change user password in Linux machine. So let me show you that who I am. I'm a live user. I'm logging as a live user in this Linux machine. So we are actually using Fedora OS in the virtual box. So for creating a user inside a Linux machine, we will going to use a command which is sudo then user add then minus m then name of the user. So in this case we will going to give username as sandwich or let me or we will give username as India. Okay, so let's see that India user is exist or not. Okay, so you can see that we have successfully created user which is named as India. Now we will need to change its password. So for that, if you want to change this password, so we will going to do sudo password then give the username, then it will ask for the password, hit enter, then again retype it. Okay, so we have created a user which is named as India. Okay, so we will going to log in as India. Okay, right now, so for logging India we will give su uh, dash then India. Okay, it will ask for the password and here we are login as a India. So this is how we can create a user in the Linux machine. So now we will going to exit from the server, okay, from the user session, and now we are back to our original session. We are now live user. So if you want to delete user in Linux machine, so for that we can use sudo user del then dash f, so it will be forcefully delete the user without any prompt. Okay, and then the username. Okay, so we want to delete India as a username and that's it. So now we can see, let me show you that how we will going to check it. So ID then India. Okay, so you can see that previously it was showing the user, but now executing the delete command, user delete command, it's showing us that no such user which is namely as India is present inside this machine. Okay, so in this way we can delete or create a user on the Linux machine. So hope guys it will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.